Can you get another water? Is that yours?
You can have it.
Let me put this away. Let's clean up this fucking studio. Alright guys. Turn off the light. Alright. So, here we go. Here we go.
Just one.
Alright, so we're gonna remake. Not remake, but we're gonna, yeah, remake, fuck it. Remake this tutorial. And for this one, I'm gonna have my girlfriend assist me. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name's Nita.
Fevina.
Fevina.
Alright, that's my girlfriend, and then these are my babies, or our babies. Introduce the whole family. Alright, okay, so we're talking about the beat matching, right? And so we're gonna beat match, and we have a little exercise that I like to recommend people if you can't get your tracks to align. Like I notice a lot of times when people are trying to beat match, sometimes they get lost and they don't know if they should go this way or if they should go this way, and they kind of they're going back and forth, and a lot of times people will get lost and they'll freak out and they'll either just like cut it or filter it or whatever. So if you try this out, if you practice this simple little fucking exercise, let's see here. All right, so we're gonna loop it. Bam, this is what we have going on right here. What track are you playing? Menace, Annihilation, Fever Dream?
Yeah.
There, she got the bangers. She got the bangers. Okay, so let's see, where's the fucking volume? Is there no music? Where's the fucking volume? No, but I'm looking at the booth monitors. Where's the booth not working? Why is the booth not working out?
Oh, because it's not. I turned it off earlier.
Okay. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so she turned it off. All right. This is probably not a good part to practice this, because this loop at the beginning of this phrase, it has like a double kick at the beginning and it's gonna throw off some people. So I'm gonna loop off that section. Once you take off the loop, and oh shit, we're gonna go over here, we're gonna go right there, and then we're gonna loop it right there, okay? So bring it back in and find a good spot in there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna play it at 160 BPM. All right, this is not for the faint of heart. All right, so here we go. All right, so obviously you want to time it, you know, bring it in like this. So let's say. All right, so they're together, but what happens if sometimes like you're off by a little bit and it sounds like this? And now you're like, oh shit, which way should I go? Right? So a good way to figure out which way you should go is, so if you're familiar with the kicks and the transients, the transient is the beginning of your kick, right? You gotta pay attention to see what they sound like when you're going one way or the other. So you gotta pay close attention with your ears and see and try to listen if the transients are starting to separate more or if they're coming together. So we're gonna pay attention to that. All right, that was easy. Like they were really close to each other and we were going the right way. So, but what happens? So we're gonna try it again. Actually, I'm gonna just fling it just so I don't know exactly where I'm at. All right, so let's bring it in together. Okay, they're starting to drift apart even more. So I'm gonna go the opposite way now. And there you go. So try that one more time. Okay, they're not coming together. I feel like they're separating, so let's try the other way. Okay, so that basically is beat matching. Beat matching is when you try and get two kicks to sit on top of each other. Beat matching, it doesn't necessarily mean, it's not the same thing as phrase matching. Beat matching is when you again, have two kicks playing on top of each other, and they can technically be playing in different parts of a track. But when you start to phrase matches, when you get the first kick of the first phrase of the second track that you're going to bring in, so the very first kick, to play when the current track that you're playing, when that phrase finishes, you want to push play on this one so that they both start at this on phrase on the first count. Okay, so that's what phrase matching is. So I'll do another tutorial on that some other time, but in the meantime, get in the habit of getting your tracks to sound beat matched. Okay, so this time I'm gonna try and get the kicks to be on top of each other, and I'm gonna scroll to see what it sounds like when they begin to separate. So if you pay attention, the kicks were together and they began to gallop. They start sounding like a clank, 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 clank. The more you go, there starts to you hear clank, clank, clank. There's more space between those initial hits. So I'm gonna go the opposite way now to bring them in together. Another thing, let's say you're not sure. Let's say you have it down and you think like they're pretty much like together, but you're not sure if it's perfect. So right there, it's not too bad, but we can fix it. So if you're not sure, again, we're gonna go one way, and we're gonna pay attention. Are the kicks starting to separate more, or are they coming together? So let's try it. You see, we're going this way. So the best thing you can do if you're not sure is to go until you can identify for sure, for a fact that that now it's too much. Once you know, like, oh shit, I'm going too much, then now you know for a fact that then you have to go the opposite way. So we were doing that, we were going this way, and the kicks weren't coming together. So now we're gonna go the opposite way. And there it is. So one more time. You see, I've been scrolling and now the kicks aren't coming together. They start to separate. So now we know for a fact we gotta go this way. And that's the thing, I'm telling you, a lot of times people, what they do is like they go this way, then they go that way, and they don't know which way to go. It's like you have to commit going one way. Just go one way for a fact until you can identify, oh shit, these kicks are for sure not coming together. So we're gonna bring them this way. So let me bring this down a little bit this way. Okay, so let's try it again. Lost, and that's it. All right, let's have my lovely assistant. Let's go, baby. Come on.
Okay.
What is it? One more time. No looking at the screens. So you're gonna try one more time, okay? And that's basically fucking beat matching in a nutshell. Again, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but the kicks here, they're not on one. All right, so again, that's a different tutorial that'll be on phrase matching. These kicks are just layered on top. Okay, that's another thing I see, and I notice a lot of times people will just kind of be looping tracks, you know, so they can bring in the second one, and they'll just throw it in at a random moment. And I mean, that's fine, whatever. Technically, you're beat matching, but if you want to get better at mixing, you have to throw in your second track on your phrases. So keep that in mind. Anyways, that is all for today. All right, guys. Well, yeah, thank you very much, and we will see you guys. If you guys are also in the area, we stay local in LA. We play undergrounds here. So if anybody is in the area, hit us up on Instagram, and we will send you invitations to our gigs. So, anyways, thank you guys. Bye.